te.
Hi, te!
Kamusta ka sa Bangkok?
Ito, mainit pa rin. Puro bakla,
Ba't nandiyan si
mainit.
Jeyo?
Hi, te!
Ba't nandiyan si Jeyo? Nang wala ako!
Oh my God! Nandito kami lahat sa
Wailun TikTok, yapay yapay!
3 girls, 1 iconic vacation in Bangkok. Friendship tested.
Ang ganda yung sinasabi. Ano kung sa pera lang kasi sila pagkakaibigan agad. Sana din lang tayo tapos. Then leave. I believe.
Hindi naman pwedeng pangit ka na tapos mawawala ka pa.
Nakakairita. Alam mo, walang kwenta ng topic.
For me kasi, if you want to be a supportive friend, kailangan support na support ka hanggang dulo.
Secrets exposed.
Ang lahat sa'yo binibigyan mo ng mean. Ang simple-simple nilang sinabi ko. You're just putting words in my mouth. Pwede ka makipag-usap ng maayos. Hindi yung bigla kang mag-hysterical dyan mga mata.
I don't know kung talaga ba na-enjoy ko tong trip na to. Hindi ko alam kung na-enjoy ko talaga tong trip.
Loyalties broken.
Tuloy pa ba tayo? Umuwi na lang tayo. Nandyan lang yung airport.
Nagbabad language ako sa'yo.
But the memories will last forever. Stay tuned to find out.
Hey buddy, so ibubuk ko si Jeyo ng flight going to Bangkok. Ano ba yan? First time ko kasi magbubuk mag-isa, gago. Kaya huwag akong inaano. Anong Jeyo Cruz? Tamo kabado ko? Tangina, Cruz yung na-type ko, gago. Utang ina. 977. Huh? Oh my God. Perfected! Oh my God.
Wailun TikTok, yapay yapay! Jump, 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 jump คนโสดอยู่ไหนyapay!
Whatever you find, you no matter where you go, oh, oh.
Okay, so I got my luggages na. I'm gonna get my SIM card. Pinakadulo yung kinuha ko ng bag, nakakaloka. So, walkathon tayo ngayon, mga dear. Okay, so nakuha ko na yung SIM card ko. Now it's time to meet yung susundo sa akin. May susundo kasi sa akin dito. So, there's a reason why nasa Bangkok tayo ngayon. Nag-withdraw muna ako ng cash. Actually, hindi ko alam kung magkano to. 10,000 baht to. Ano sila? Dokura Prestige Bangkok. Sila naiintindihan. Fantasy te, may sumundo sa akin. Oh, sorry, nakakasyala. Malalaman niyo later bakit ako nandito sa Bangkok. May sumundo sa akin. Period. I got my own. This is paid already. Thank you! Kapun ka! Thank you, thank you. Ang taray, may sarili akong car! Ang taray! What the fuck? I'm gagged. May sarili ako. Ah! May drinks? Good water. What? Wow, hello.
How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. Is this for free? This drink?
Yeah, for
Oh,
you,
really? Thank you. Wow.
Wailun TikTok, yapay yapay! Jump, 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 jump คนโสด
Y'all, this hotel. Gagiana. I'm gagging. Ang ganda dito. What the fuck? Let's see. Wait, ang OA. Ang ganda ng room. Oh my gosh. The bathroom. Putang ina, ang ganda. Sorry na pamura ko pero oh my gosh. Girl, the bathroom. I'm so gagged. Ang ganda, may shower. Yung vanity area. Ginagago nyo ba ako? Tapos may toilet dito. What the heck? May sariling closet. May sarili akong closet. Oh my God, I'm gagging. Wait, what's this? Girl, the view here. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. The view. What the hell? What is this one? Oh, may coffee maker kineso. Ay! Ito, Roy. Ito yung bed. Ang laki ng bed. Sofa. Oh my gosh. Welcome, Mr. Joshua Cruz. Period. That's my name. That's my name. I'm so happy to be here right now.
Okay, so the real reason why I'm here right now is because pinadala ako ng Levi's dito! Oh my God, thank you again so much, Levi's, for sending me here. For flying me to Bangkok. I'm so happy to be back. I'm so gagged. I'm literally so gagged right now. Like, I can't believe this is my life! But yeah, anyway, ang ganda dito. Ang ganda ng hotel. Sobrang... Yun lang naman. Okay, so nag-unboxing ako kasi meron ditong paper bag. And girl, tignan niyo yung binigay sa akin ng Levi's. I am gagged. Ang ganda ng headphones. I'm not really familiar with the brand, pero sobrang aesthetic na. Like, what the hell? Girl. God! Ang vintage ng itsura niya! Oh my God, thank you so much, Levi's. 88 Rising. What the hell? Thank you! Currently unpacking my stuff right now. And grabe, this is my life right now. Grabe. Like, totoo ba to? Totoo ba to? Oh my God. Anyway, yung plans pala today is merong welcoming dinner tonight. So we're gonna be dressed up. Yeah, very casual lang naman. Pero yeah, may dinner later. So ang aga pa, like 1 p.m. pa lang. Baka I'm planning to like do some cardio, then have lunch outside, then come back here to prepare. So yeah, hindi pa kasi ako makain eh. Let's see. Or baka yung pagpunta ko na lang sa mga restaurant dito, yun na yung cardio ko. So let's see. Okay, so nagpalit muna ako ng gym clothes ko. So magka-cardio na ako ng mabilis, like 30 minutes lang. I wanna have lunch later sa labas. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, bye-bye. Hi buddies, I'm back. So we're gonna have lunch outside. Meron daw malapit dito. Tinanong ko yung mga staff dun sa may gym kung anong masarap na malapit lang na pwede puntahan dyan, na pwede kainan. So they recommended I don't know how to pronounce this. Maglalakad lang tayo. I'm so excited. Parang nagsa-solo trip na rin ako today. So let's go! So I'm just currently walking outside. Hindi natin mahanap ko itong 8 na. Hindi nga, hinibago ako parang ako nagsa-solo travel. Oh my God. Okay, kung saan na ako napupunta dito. Oh, di ko ito overwhelm ako. Okay, parang masarap dito. So may Let's Eat. Okay, mukhang promising naman dito sa Let's Eat. So may gwapo sa harap ko. Ang gwapo niyo. I ordered this apple kiwi lemon. You wanna eat? Okay. We have protein, chicken, black rice. Ano ba ito? Black rice ba? Hindi ko alam. Veggies, soup, o sauce. Ako lang ang ham. Pwede lang. Okay, hey buddies, so I just finished doing my hair and makeup. This is the outfit. I'm wearing some Levi's jeans. And this Levi's cap, super cute. Very 70s-ish yung atake natin ngayon. This crop top, this cute I Heart Bangkok shirt. Wala lang, quirkiness lang, di ba? So yeah, this is the welcoming dinner party outfit. Okay, nasa lobby na daw sila. So we're gonna have dinner now. We're gonna go to Chinatown, dun yung nireserve nilang restaurant. So let's go! We just got here! Cute! So nandito na kami sa dinner ng Levi's. And yeah, daming tao. Ako nag-represent ng Philippines. We're gonna have dinner now. May menu sila and all. Cute! Yeah!
Momentous occasion. This is in 4 different Southeast Asian countries. So, DACA from the Thai government for Nikirin. I'm from Purple, the PR agency.
Got Pani Puri. Gonna be my vlog. It's Filipino by heart. I got that on 4K. Cheers, Tiana! Levi's 88 Rising. Period. Bam. สวัสดีค่ะน้ำลายทำไมขนาดนี้สวัสดี
Ate, ano yung sinusulat mo dyan? Ang dalawang bakla, natagdagan na naman ang bating dito sa bangko.
Comment down below guys kung anong tingin niyo dun sa intro namin.
Good morning, so we're here sa may breakfast buffet. This is what I got. I got bacon, chicken, sausage, normal sausage, egg, some veggies, cauliflower, and rice. With Cheo here. Morning, baby.
Sabi mo lang talaga na kasama mo na ako.
Ang ganang drama. Kain muna kami, guys. Okay, so we're getting ready to go out today. By the way, yung plans pala today is, today na yung 88 Rising event. This hour, meron kaming like free day-ish. Pero the event is at 7 p.m. So later, babalik kami dito around 4 p.m. to get ready. Yeah, so it's just doing his makeup and doing my hair. We're gonna go around Bangkok. Kasi sayang yung araw, sayang yung free days.
Punta kami ng Vietnam.
Punta kami Yeah, malapit lang kasi yung Vietnam dito. Kaya siyang i-move it. So, yeah. Magmamotor-motor lang kami later. So, yeah! Hey guys, so we are ready. Here's my outfit.
So you better be nice.
Here's my outfit. Super cute. Pakita mo yung outfit ko dyan.
Today, just really casual lang naman. Para kang nasa Salcedo. But
Yes.
in Bangkok.
Yes.
I'm wearing my flip-flops in Hawaii. Shout out sa Avianas Philippines.
What's my accent? So yeah, mag-roam around lang kami dito. And baka punta kami ng Matter Makers later. So,
Yeah, so like today, we're just gonna go around Bangkok. Oh,
ano yung accent na yun?
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save 50
So we just got here sa Myceum Center. Parang ano lang to eh. Eastwood Podium. Parang nasa podium lang kami. So excited ako pumunta sa Matter Makers kasi nakikita ko na yung online sa mga content creators. Oh my God, nandito kami sa Sephora. Like! Ang galing. Oh my God, one size! Oh my God, may Huda kaya sila dito? Oh my God, may Huda Beauty sila. Na-realize lang namin.
Hindi na kami sa SM North tumatambay.
Yes, tumabot kami ng Bangkok!
Hindi ko alam kung nasa dito yung SM North Annex.
Ate, saan dito yung yung bridge pa Trinoma? Okay, so kakarating lang namin dito sa Green Hills. Check. Ay, mga estudyante uniform. We're here sa may Matter Makers. Andito na kami sa loob ng Matter Makers. And girl, the aesthetic here, sobrang giving. Ito yung bago nilang collab. Ang cute ng mga dito. Let's see kung makakapag-shop ako. Ate, go muna yan. Ang ganda. Yeah. Ay, oo nga. Okay, wala kaming nabili doon. Kasi parang, I mean, expensive, pero wala masyado nag-speak to us. We're gonna go to Gentlewoman. Yung last kong punta dito, yung Gentlewoman dito, may pila like
1965.
Black pa, OA ng 1965. Ito tayo sa Gentlewoman. Bawal mag-video actually, so matago ko lang ginagawa. Ang cute.
Feeling ko
Cute ng pants. Ano? Ay, ang cute niyan. Kaya wala pa rin. Papunta na nga tayo. Yung pinuputok ng buchi mo.
ayusin mo kasi yung pananalita mo.
Yung sa akin lang naman, gusto ko lang pumunta doon sa bibili natin. Hindi yung pangunahan mo palagi ng ganyan.
Nakakahiya lang naman kasi na nagsisigaw tayo sa public. Na parang bang taga-bukid tayo.
Hindi, kasi ang sa akin lang naman, huwag mo akong sigawan ng ganyan. Para hindi tayo nag-aaway palagi dito.
Public talaga, no?
We're on our way to this consignment store. I forgot your name. We're just gonna go check it out. Then later, we're gonna have lunch. We're gonna have lunch later. Here, we're back here. Nag-shopping ako dito. Ang dami ko nabili dito. No? There's some cute pants here. Oh. This is giving very... Ay, hindi po yan. Alis. So cute pants dito. Tapos may mga shirts din dito na super cute. Like this parang Kill Bill shirt. Kill him. It's so cute. And this one, get bro. Look at this shirt that I found. It says Bangkok Romantic. So parang ang cute. Pero let's see kung may size ko. So I want it a little smaller pa sana.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
size small, right, babe?
Get it a little smaller.
Right? Like, right? We got the goodies. Yay! May nabili rin ako. Wala ko lang ako mabibili. So we're here having our late lunch here at Coco. Ate, ba't ka lumalis? Dito kami sa may Coco. So mag-lunch lang kami. Or it's already 1:39 and we need to be back. So by 3. Because we need to prepare pa and all. Give us this complimentary. Ano daw to? Just Bakit? Hindi naman matapang yung shotgun. Pad Thai here. This rice. I forgot the name is. Hey buddies, so we are now back here sa my hotel. We're gonna start preparing for tonight's event. Mukha ka nakahubad, gago. Ay, okay, gagalaw. We're gonna start preparing for tonight's event, the 88 Rising event. By the way, one of the performers is Zach Tabudlo. So we're repping our Filipino artists there. We're already done with our looks. I'm feeling very rodeo-ish, and Jayo's feeling very street vibes tonight. We're in the same color palette as well, but look at the back part of this outfit. Yes, yes.
Kasi this reminds me of Rap.
Oo nga, kumukha ni Rafi.
Bakit sabi niya? Kasi it reminds me of you.
Tonight na yung Levi's event with 88 Rising. So, thank you so much, Levi's! Pagdating natin. So yeah, tonight na yung event with 88 Rising. So thank you again so much, Levi's!
Levi's! Or Levi's.
Levi's!
1, 2, 3, go.
Levi lang. Levi lang. Singular kasi Levi. Good morning! It's the next day here.
Good morning! It's the next day here.
Anyway, we just had breakfast kanina and...
We had breakfast.
Gusto mo makita lumilipad na bag?
Gusto mo makita lumilipad na Josh?
So nag-breakfast kami kanina. Like hinabol namin kasi hanggang 10 AM lang yung free breakfast buffet. And nagising kami ng 9:30. So we were like... So yun, and also, meron surprise guest later. You guys will see. It's gonna be very exciting. So anyway, today din yung checkout namin. Around 12 noon pa naman. Ang plans namin today, wala kaming like super hardcore na itinerary. Pero yeah, we're just gonna do some shopping siguro ngayon. Roam around. So yeah. สวัสดีครับคนเลวมาแล้วครับคนเลวมาพัทยาแก้เหงาผมขอลาแก้ผ้าผมขอที
Hi guys, this is Miko SJ and I'm here at Bangkok. First order of business is magbalasa ng baraha para malaman mo yung kapalaran mo dito sa Thailand. Ate, ang gagwapo. Ay! Tayo ay magta-tarot trading. Kasi dito ako nagta-tarot trading eh. Like, kung dumaan to sa page mo, what if resonates? Ano daw? And yes, sumunod lang ako dito kasi na-miss ko sila. Ganun ako kayaman. Check. At dahil dyan. Hala, ang gwapo. Pinakay. Nakasakay siya sa elepante. Hala, ang pogi ate. Ayan. Avail nyo na to. Ang pangalan niya ay Lee. Isu-super like ko siya dahil masarap siya.
Okay, magkakasama na ang trio taga-payo in Bangkok. So we're just gonna throw what? Central what?
Dalawa na lang pala kami. Yung dapat me.
Anyway, we're just gonna go do some shopping kasi chill lang naman yung day namin today.
mayaman kami. Ganun ako kayaman.
Maya,
Kami ng milyonaryo.
oo,
Ganun kami kayaman.
mas mayaman kami kay Henry C. Hanggang ngayon lang. Bukas, delata na lang kami. Ang saya na dito kami sa Bangkok!
Pero totoo na sa Makat, Ayala lang kami.
Ayala lang talaga to, te. So, eme lang. We're here in Makati! Ang eda. Dito kami magsha-shopping sa may Central World. Dito kami sa may Lucky Chinatown. Chega. Dito kami mag-shopping ng mga perfumes and all. Central World. So, nandito kami sa may Central World. Sobrang laki ng mall na to.
Mas malaki ka.
Kasi bakit eh? Mahira kasi ako masabihan ng malaki. It's music to my ears. So, hanapin namin yung Skongs Perfumery kasi maraming perfumes dun. Starbucks daw, Starbucks.
Hahanapin natin yung Starbucks. Sabihin mo,
Stop! Asan?
ganun kasi dito sa Thailand.
Ganun dito.
Magnet ba?
Ano pala, kompas pala yung mga tao dito. Okay, so nandito kami sa may Skongs Perfumery. Yung mga packaging nila, ang gaganda. Laro ate, ang mahal dito. Ang mahal pala. Parang bumili din ako ng full size na Maison Margiela.
This one is cherry.
Ay, parang yung Tom Ford na ano, cherry. Yung nakita ang carpet si Miko, ang cute. Ay, 100 baht lang siya. Ang mura.
So, 200.
Yeah, parang 200. Try natin itong donut siya.
Is this oil-based? There is something dito. Ano yan? Amuyin nyo guys. Diba?
Ito sila naman.
Gonna try here sa may butterfly. Do you have any fresh citrusy scent? Like summer vibes? Clean. I'm torn between the kalanga and the mango leaf. Can I try it?
But if you're not sure the smell, you have to spend time with them. Tignan niyo kung ilan na-collecta ko.
I think I don't like the warm and cozy.
Paamay mo ulit.
Bango nitis.
Parang musky to.
Parang mas musky to. Musky. Ay. Ate naman yung ulo. Ayan, Salamat. I'm here at Sephora. What's her name? Mai.
Yes.
Hello. Kanja. She's helping me swatch my shade. Period.
280.
280.
Yes. You try with the brush.
Okay. Yep. Brush. Is it too light?
You wait just a moment, huh? They a bit darker.
I'm gonna ask help for this reseller. She's a reseller here. Sorry ka. Oh, she speaks English pala.
I'm actually Australian.
Oh, you're Australian. Okay.
And with. Wow.
Without?
With. Yeah.
But the face? I don't know.
Can you erase the face? Okay. Parang nagbabad language ang sa'yo.
Pangit daw ako. Parang kayo nagsabi na hindi siya. We got the goods! My first ever Sephora purchase in my entire life. Okay, public na kami sa hotel kasi need na namin mag-check-in doon sa Airbnb namin. So... Yeah! Hindi mo yung binok ni Jeyo. Papunta lang sa Airbnb namin. Thank you, Jeyo. What the hell? This is so huge.
He's so rich.
He's so rich. Like, literally so rich.
Kaya magpautang ka na. Tama nyo si Jeyo ha.
Minsan kasi pag bored siya, nagpapautang siya, te.
Tapos di siya naniningil, yun ang kinaganda.
Oo. Parang pay as you can lang, ganun. Go, te! Ito yung elevator.
Fresh yung elevated pang manipis lang.
Pang skinny girl. This is safe, right? Yes.
Josh.
You walk better.
How? Oh, the luggage only.
Okay, akit ka na.
I'll put my small luggage.
Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari.
Oh, go.
Okay.
Start 5, 6,
Oh.
Josh, bilis.
Thank you, Cup and Cup. As in, ayun na siya. Pababa na si Beyonce. Hello? Ilalagay ko na eh. Ganito kami mag-teamwork. Bakit na siya? Bakit siya? Bakit siya? I don't need a man. I am the man. So, the gag is, iniwan nila ako and I need to operate the elevator myself para maakyat namin yung mga bagahe. Floor pala ng nabook namin is 7th floor, which is, wow! At least, diba, we have place to stay. Then again, 7th floor. Sobrang quirky ng building kasi para siyang massage. Nakalagay sa labas, massage. So parang baka pag-isipin ng tao magpapamassage kami. But no, we live here. However, let's not judge it yet. Kasi di pa natin nakikita yung place. And ito na siya in 3, 2, 1.
Hey buddies! So we are now here in our new Airbnb. So nakalipat na kami dito. And the place looks nice. Dito lang yung sa may Silom Road. Tsaka, wait lang. Dami kasi nangyari. I know. So once you enter, this is the room. See, maraming storage. Sige, balik tayo. So once you enter, ito yung CR. Ay, may tao agad. Kasama to sa bayad. Ala, you can wash your face. Then, you can go to the shower area. Shh. And then, you can use the toilet. Then, there's the closet. Wow, so many clothes. Change outfit. Yes. And there's a vanity area as well. You can do your makeup. Yes. You can go to the room. Come. There's so many storage here. And there's a trio bed here. You can fit like 4 people. Can sleep. Ay, may tao! Ay! And there's an entrance going to... Hello?
Tulak kasi!
Ayan, may entrance sa may CR area. Yes. Then, there's another area. Ay, damn! Carlos Yulo. Silom Road! Wow! And it's a glass door. You can open it. And there, gagong ganda. There is a dining area. Yes, very hot food. Spicy. Yes. Ha. And then, you can see the sink with a very amazing view. And there is also another view. And there's also a stove. And meron ding view of the Silom Road. Wow, I love it here. Very nice. And, so yeah, ito yung nabook namin. Sobrang mura nito. Parang 7,000 pesos for the whole stay. Mapagod siya. So parang ano lang to, 7,000 pesos lang to, all in all na hanggang Sunday na kami dito. So, yeah. Jaya prepared some food for us. Thank you so much. Let's try. It's good.
That's it in Thailand. Translation here.
มากินข้าวที่เมืองไทยกันเถอะ
AI voice.
Maubos na yung pagkain sa transition na to.
Wait lang, hindi ko pa
Ay, ba?
Hindi mo ko titirhan eh.
Wait lang! Ala, yan na! Ayun na! Ayan! Uy! Takot ako. Bakit? Stand. Well. Thank you so much, Carlos. I'm here at Carlos Bespoke. I got my suit fitted. I'm gonna get a custom suit by Carlos, so I'll see you.
See you tomorrow. I'll text you.
Tomorrow. Okay,
I'll
yeah.
text you. I got your number.
Okay, thank you
Thank
so
you guys.
much.
Thanks,
Thank you so much, Carlos. Thank you.
Baby boy.
Here. sa may I Wanna Bangkok. Dati kung may makikita tayong pieces again. Tangkap na to, ang cute. Ay, saan ka? Nandito ka ba, bebe ko? Bebe! Hindi mo kayo bubuksan mo dito. Look at this sweatpants. Look at this sweatpants. I sweat shorts. And it says, I wanna back. Oh, cute. Ayos na, diba? Thank you. So, naglalakad kami ngayon dito sa Cubao, dito sa may Bangkok. Silong pa rin to, di ba? So, naglalakad kami dito sa Silom. Saan ba tayo papunta actually? Hindi ko lang kasi we're gonna check yung mga baklaan area, yung Silom Road, yung gay district. Today pala is a Buddhist holiday. So, walang daw masyadong umiinom ngayon. Until tomorrow, Friday. So, bawal ata sila uminom.
Which is a variety ba dahil? However,
I mean, alam ko pwede. Hindi pa pwede daw. Wag lang uminom. I don't know. We'll find out tomorrow, so yeah. Sorry ka, McDory. I ordered mango sticky rice. Up. Ice cream yummy. You're watching Disney Channel. And may mga gwapo sa harap namin.
Nag-vlog tayo.
Ayan.
Kunyari mag-ano ko, oh my God, I like this. I like this.
Yes.
I like this watch.
This watch. Yeah, that's it. Hello, you wanna say hi to my vlog? Hey.
Nandyan ka na naman, pasulyap-sulyap sa
Philippines. We have the same camera. DJI here. Sarah.
Lagi-lagi na lang.
Bet niya ako.
Bet niya? Siya yung bet. Yung isa yung bet ko eh. So right now we're getting a massage. A foot massage. Nakaka-experience ng authentic, real Thai massage. Tita activities lang yun. Ang sarap nila mag-massage. So makakatulog na ako guys. Sarap ng massage namin, te. Iba yung, ay, ala. Iba yung effect ng massage. Ang sarap sa paa. Alas sa katulog. Ay, ayan na naman siya. Good morning! Today, yung plan namin today is magpapa-under shoot kami ngayon. So, nag-ready na rin kami. Then, later, bahala na kung saan na kami makakapunta. So, aray! Okay, so we bought food. Nakita kaming malapit na parang market kines. So, malapit sa amin. So, mayroon tong chicken. We also got orange juice. Then, meron ding coffee.
Taste Best Coffee. This is our first coffee here in Taiwan.
Ayaw nga, no?
So, this is from Mama.
Mama.
Okay.
What's the words?
Kape.
Ano ba? Kape Americano? Okay. Kain tayo, guys. Akala ko ba ayun yung maganda. Kakainin ko pa yan. Nalalagay ko nga ng cucumber doon. Ano? Watuhan kasi ito.
Tinatabi ko lang naman. Ay, kainin mo na. Ganang kamay mo eh. Kakainin mo nga dapat.
I made this.
Kung gawin yung mukha kong Vilma Santos.
Paano ka doon?
Wala, ate. Maganda si Vilma Santos. Sobrang ganda. Shoot na kami ng mga pa-under namin sa Jeon.
Ganyan, nagpipicture habang may sumasakay talaga sa gilid, di ba? Kumbaga, dead ma.
Sabog. Hey buddies, so basta kami mag-shoot. Nandito na kami ulit sa Airbnb. Papalit lang kami. Then we're gonna go out now. Bilis lang ng shoot na namin actually. Today, yung plan namin is we're gonna go have lunch. Then, kakain muna kami. Ano daw? We're gonna go have lunch. Tapos kakain muna kami. We're gonna go have lunch. Then, we're gonna do some shopping again. Then later, mag-Chinatown. Then, kay Kembot kami tonight. So, yeah. Nandito kami ulit sa may Carlos The Spoke. May update na sa outfits. Mag-fitting. May quick fitting lang kami.
Like, went here last night.
Yeah, we were just here last night and now we already have like the samples. So I'm gonna do a quick fitting. Carlos?
Yeah, we're gonna do the fitting.
Yeah.
Just give me 2 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, sure. No worries.
Yeah.
I like the pleating.
Right?
I like it.
This tide is okay.
Yeah. Can I try?
I like it. You really like it? I really like it. It looks like already bought from somewhere, but they made it. I think they bought it somewhere.
Okay, tapos na kami sa fitting. Medyo nauga ako kasi surprise fitting siya, so hindi ko alam. And pumunta na kami CM Square ba? Let's go to CM Square. Okay, so nandito na kami sa may CM Square, pero hindi namin mahanap si Jeyo. Like, nakasaan siya?
Nasaan si Jeyo?
Hindi naman pwedeng pangit ka na, tapos mawawala ka pa. Parang struggle lang naman.
Nang inaantayin natin siya, magtitingin-tingin muna tayo ng makeup dito sa
may beauty trio. Baka ito yung Sephora nila dito. Local brands. Si Mami Oni.
December 25, Daddy Ro! Pinapakita siya sa akin.
Kami ngayon sa may Piranha at Siam. We're having our very late lunch. So, parang masarap naman dito. Mura pa. Masarap. Ubos so much. Feeling ko bet talaga ng owner si Miko. Tignan mo, pinopormahan na ni Miko yung owner. Miko, nasan tayo?
BGC!
Nasan tayo?
Sa MOA, Seaside. Here's sa may consignment store na puro summer theme. Ay, nag-iba na yung itsura nila. Okay, these ones reminds me of Tiki's where Hollywood can be. We're ready. That's what we get. Ay, paano yan? Ay, ang cute! Ayan. Nakaka-irita, alam mo, walang kwenta ng pang picture. Alam mo, may tao. Okay na.
Ako na lang dito. Hala, the Disneys. She's the girl. That's the song. So, nandito kami sa may brand na Merge. Ito siya, Merge. And nakasale yung ibang items with like 50% off today lang. So, sobrang sakto. So, itong nakita ko, ang ganda ng pants. Like, ay! Hello? Medyo mahaba siya sa akin. Pero let's see. Okay, I like this. Pero, nakikita yung skin ko dito. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it though. I might get this kasi 1,300 baht na lang siya. Ito yung conversation start. Lumalabas yung poke ko dito.
The damage has been done.
Uwi na tayo. Ayoko na dito.
Pangalawang araw pa lang.
Tama na.
Pag-uwi feeling ko, wala na akong kakainin.
Bukas magchachatok-chak pa kami and junction.
Sabi ko, sa trip na to, okay, Besh, basta ang budget ko lang dito ay 10K max.
Magkano na kami second day pa lang?
Like, girl, naka-80K na kami. Like, naka 130K na kami. Ito ba yung feeling ng 130K?
Ay! Uwi na muna kami.
Mag-iiyak muna kami.
Mag-breakdown muna kami at magsisingilan. Okay, we're here now in Chinatown. Dito na kami magdi-dinner. Nila Jeyo, nila Miko. Sorry ka, how much? Tauray kap. Tauray kap.
How much? 10 baht? 10 baht. Okay.
10 baht only, 10 baht. Okay, let's go.
Good apart, yeah.
Sinong Pinoy dito?
Paano malalaman?
Paano tayo ng kababayan?
Hanap kami ng mga
Tite! Ay! Tite!
Ay, Pinoy siya?
Pinoy siya, Pinoy
Hello,
siya.
hello.
Philippines.
When I say Thailand has the best oranges ever, they have the best oranges.
Shoutout to Ken Dayan, niwala mo yung ano ko, Fish Island. Palitan mo yun. Hindi sana ang ganda ng shot nito pag naka Fish Islands, di ba? Hi!
Lami casting.
Mali.
Ini-edge mo sila. Kaya pa sila nakanganga. Hey buddies! So, nakabalik na kami here sa may Airbnb namin. We're gonna go out and party! Anyway, we're gonna go party. Iwan ko muna kayo dito, buddies. Kasi some of you are underage, so hindi kayo pwede makasama. So, dito muna kayo. Matulog na rin kayo maaga, okay? Mapupunta kami sa club in 3, 2, 1. It's our last full day here. I made them breakfast. Yay, from 7-Eleven. You know. Sobrang parang ni-raid naman tong...
Good morning, Thailand!
Magsawadi ka ka. This shrimp omelette, some hot dogs, we got some eggs, and some salad.
Kain tayo, di na ako marunong mag-Tagalog.
Hindi ka naman marunong Tagalog, te?
I think I'm super Tagalog here in Thailand. Di na ako marunong mag-Tagalog pag-uwi.
Bakit pang afam yung accent yun?
Super hirap sa akin ako Tagalog.
Anyway, so today's our last full day here. So we're gonna make the most out of it kaya medyo maaga kami nagising ngayon. Babawi kami. It's really... Okay, so this is the outfit for today. Super cute. I'm wearing my new pants na binili ko here sa Bangkok. Sa may CM Square. Super cute. And this vintage Tommy Hilfiger shirt. Like, yay!
Ano, Miko? Ano, te? Uli pa ba tayo? Umuwi na lang tayo. Tagal.
Nandyan lang yung airport.
O, kanino to?
Hindi sa akin yan.
Kanino to?
Itim yung mukha. Sino yan? We're gonna take some immunity shot. Siya yung may kailangan.
Gaga baka ano yan? Yung pampa-air na?
Gaga. Ano yan? Turmeric lang yan. Let's take some immunity shots.
Ano ba yan, Jeyo?
2, 3,
Go.
shot!
After 3, I'll go.
On 3.
Go
Feeling ko
sa
after
3.
3 na lang.
1, 2, 3. Oh, good.
Besh, ano to eh? Mouthwash?
Tara na! So we just got here sa may Nana.
Kayo nagpagawa nito?
Yes po. Actually, opening pa lang po ngayon. So, yes, thank you so much for making time. Yes, thanks Alton for recommending this. Miko ordered me strawberry matcha. Thank you, sister. So we're here na sa may Bangsway Junction. It's my second time here. Actually kami ni Jeyo. It's my second time here. Oh, may mga clothes here. Super dami! Ang cute ng mga vintage bags dito. Nasa around 2K lang ata. Pero I don't know if these are real. Ay, yung mga big bags. Cute din ito. Oh my god, look at these vintage jewelries. Ang gaganda nila. I'm obsessed. Ang ganda. May cowboy boots dito. 1,000 lang. Ito ang dami. Dami. I will look for other designs.
Okay.
So why man? I love it. I got my cowboy boots. Natawaran ko pa si ate. From 1.5 baht to 1.3 baht, which is ang laki din nun. So, yay! Paano sila Miko tsaka sila Jeyo? Try out sila ng outfits. Paano yan? Tauray Cup.
599.
Miko Tauray Cup eh.
499
499 Cup. Hey buddy, so dito na kami sa may Chatok Shop. Hindi ko pa nahanap yung gusto kong pants. Sana meron dito sa Chatok Shop though.
I very hope so too.
I have high hopes.
Yeah. Anyway, si Josh nakahanap siya ng cowboy boots.
Yes.
Meron din akong nahanap na cow riding related shoes.
Oh, nainggit kay Miko. Is it real leather?
Yeah, sister.
Ang galing kasi sa mukha mo.
800
Ay, 800 baht?
pesos.
Weh, umuro naman yan. We're here! Chatok siya! Ano ba yun? Okay, tapos na kami sa Chatok Shack.
Are we going to Platinum Mall?
Platinum Mall? Magte-train tayo?
Yeah, we're going.
Vlogs! Say hi to the vlog! Sama namin si Vlogs. Siya ang aming nabook na tour guide via Klook.
Tingnan mo yung Pokemon.
Wow! Hey! Hello! Haray! On our way to Di Jose!
Saan ka nga nag-park?
Yay! It's our first time! Here na kami sa may Platinum Mall. Para siyang Divisoria. Si Miko kasi may hinahanap na parang, ano may hinahanap mo te? Sparkly?
I'm looking for like a mermaid fantasy summer dress.
Kasi magpapa-under siya sa Bali. Ano ito te? Huwag naman yan te. Ayan, ang dami! OA. Ang OA.
Sino to te? Josh Cruz.
Ay, bakit? Pinull out mo rin naman yung ganyan ko ah. Apaka-OA. So, nandito kami sa Vietnamese restaurant na pangalan ay Cafe Ban Mi. Galing, diba? Ito yung menu nila gago, photobook. Inong yan. Photo album.
Hindi natatapos yung pagkain nila. Pinapagkasayan, daming ino-offer. Pinamo, di pa tapos.
Parang sa sobrang daming pipilian, parang ayaw mo na kumain.
May secret menu pa nga dito.
May secret menu.
Page yung ano. Sa sobrang dami.
Pinagmamayabang ni Jay yung bago niyang biling boots. Ay. Oh. Saka nakakitang high socks na leather. Oh, loko. Ala. Ang ganda te. Paano ko makakasayaw dyan? Ay, nakakasayaw. Ala. Yay! Alam mo yung mga...
Kanya-kanya na lang.
Oo, like magkakaiwalay na Airbnb.
Magkakanya-kanya na siya, may bayad ka na. Ay, bakit ako na naman, te? Ikaw siya naman puro ka na.
Pogs kasi.
Talaga.
Sige. Sige.
Ate, pag-usapan natin yan!
Hindi ka ba natatakot sa brilyante ko? Ano to? Brilyante ng lupa. Color brown yun.
Parang yung brilyante mo, nakikita ko lumulutang sa mga dami. Medyo kiyawte yung brilyante mo.
Di mo ba ako nakikilala? Sino pa? Si Bianca Umali.
Alam, Bianca Umali.
Ate ha?
Ay, wala na pala na.
Ilang minutes na lang, te? 20. Di, wag ka magbiro. Hindi na nakakatawa sa sitwasyon na to eh. Like, kanina pa tayo naglalakad. Pili ka, ospital? Cementerio.
Pili ka lang te, isa lang.
Halo. Dito. Ay, cementerio. Pag nasa event, tapos dumating kang ganun.
You're the host. You should know more
You
about
should
it.
know more about it.
Ang seryoso ng sipa.
Ate, pwede ka makipag-usap ng maayos. Hindi yung bigla kang mag-hysterical dyan mga mato.
What?
Sino yan, te? Nag-uwi ka pa. Sino na naman yan? Alam, nahiya siya. Nahiya siya. Hi!
Nahiya nga daw siya.
Gumawa na may tao talaga.
Sino yan? Sino yan?
Sino to?
Boo.
Isa pa.
Sino ito? Sino ito? Boo.
Large.
Ding, ding, ding! Eh, sino isa?
Isa pa.
Si Kami.
Kami, y'all.
Ah,